Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker cover in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker cover. The ice maker cover prevents the ice cube from falling outside the ice bucket, and it also protects the ice maker from accidental damage. The main reason for the ice maker cover to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the ice maker cover, I'm going to grab it with both hands on the sides, push in slightly the sides, and tilt it up. This is the old ice maker cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new ice maker cover. If you look here, we're going to have to slide this cutout over the hooks and then push it down to lock it over these tabs. So this opening will be over this tab. Same on the other side. We can close the door now. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.